Babangolo, Babangolo, Udume, Udume, Onyo malo, Udu ya, Udu ya. Ukeneno, Lieno, Eneno.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's another time. Are you ready now? Let's go. Anyidons. Max. It's a strategy. On a bundle. They put their feet, man. They gonna watch the feet. So you see this feet line. You know go see it. See we gonna play them tape, man. So you see this tape, Makachu. You know go see it. See, I know go suffer every day to secure the back and suffer to enjoy. Oh my man.
I want to say a special greeting to His Royal Majesty. Igbo has remained number one. And I want to say my greetings to Kabiyesi and to the Lord. I am here because this is where I belong. Yeah. Wherever is the highest authority, the throne house of my culture is where I identify with anywhere I travel around the world. I've been to more than 23 countries already, and I've always visited the throne house wherever our people are. Here, the Igbo community in Ghana are very strong. I said I cannot leave Ghana without coming to pay my respect to my people here in Ghana. Coming here, I've been trying to see if I can change my plans and host a cultural show that will help me bring up both Teresa Honora, Casey, and everybody that loves culture to celebrate our culture here in Ghana. That has been my discussion. That has been my discussion with Guide and Jesus Boy and Paul the Great. And I said, okay, that I'll still come to the throne house. If I come to the throne house and see His Majesty, and if I get His consent and His blessing, then the plan will kickstart officially.
We welcomed you. We are very, very glad having you as our own son. One of the reasons that Igbos must appreciate the diaspora thrones are this. It is our priority as Ndi Igbo here, as Nigerians here, to protect you, to guide you, to safeguard you jealously, because you are ours and we know how important you are to the people. Musicians are close to God because they sing from inspiration. And when you are singing from inspiration, you communicate with God. It's all about creativity. You create within your mind before you speak out. And while you are speaking, the people are rejoicing. High blood pressure is going, stress is going, depressions are going. It's God that made it what? Possible to be like that. So, if you are within the brethren, your appearance alone within brethren is even joy to them. So I think all of us here are happy to have you here in the Igbo diaspora throne. Every year I do a declaration of the year. My year of declaration is a year of word creation with information. But without information, you cannot make it. So we are now giving you information that cultural show you want to do is already in our palm. So let's come together and get it done. God bless you.
Anyidons, that's why we are good for her. We dey pop casket for club because we know 1 year to go.